And I want to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes because this week we have been trading together with our mastermind students. And I wanted to show you what happened. So here are all the positions that we entered this week. We were trading stocks and options, and we always trade live. This is a live account. And we're treating this account like a $10,000 account because this is what most people are getting started with. So I want to explain to you how to read a platform like this. So first of all, you see all the P&L, the profit and loss here, and this is the one for the day. So for today, on this option, on EROS, I know, cool name, huh? We are up $77. On the option for PTN, we're down $120. On the option for PBF, we're up $24, and so on. So as you can see, overall for today, treating this account like a $10,000 account, we are up $639. Not bad at all. But you see, today was the fourth day of our virtual boardroom. This is where we trade live with our students. And as you can see, overall for the week, the unrealized P&L, we're up $1,700. Not bad. Now again, there's winning trades, there's losing trades. As you can see, there's a bunch of green. Green means winning trades. And there's also PTN, which did not behave nicely here today. But for example, CRC, that is a stock that we entered, I believe it was on Monday. And you see, for this week, just in a few days, it made us $520. PBF made us $186. PN, we just entered today, $22. ERS, we entered yesterday, made us $323 thus far. So you get the idea. Now, down here, you see our profit target and stop loss, because for every position that we have on, we also have a profit target and a stop loss, meaning that we are limiting our risk as well as knowing exactly when to take profits. So I just thought it might be interesting for you to peek behind the scenes. And right now, as you can see, it is 3:04. This is in Central Time Zone because I'm here in Austin, Texas. This means the markets have been closed for 4 minutes. So this is actually thus far the settlement for the positions that we entered this week, up $1,700. Today made the majority of it. Not the majority, some of it, $639. Anyhow, I believe you get the idea. And as you can see, you don't need to trade large size. As you can see, the position here is one option contract, 3 option contracts here, one option contract, one option contract. Here, 290 stocks, 130 stocks, 55 stocks. See, this is why it is possible to achieve these results on a $10,000 account. Now again, full disclaimer, losses are always part of our business as traders, but hey, thus far it worked out. All this is unrealized P&L, meaning that we haven't closed our positions yet. So of course I'm hoping to make more money, but it could also happen that we give back some of the profits. Anyhow, since we have limited our risk and know when to take profits, we are good to go. Hope you enjoy it, just to give you an idea of what we do on a daily basis. And if this right now intimidates you, where you say, oh my gosh, let me see, where do I need to point? This way, this way? Okay, anyhow. So if you say, wow, what is all this? Then you should definitely join us at one of our boot camps or even at our 3-day live trading events where we show you exactly how to determine which stocks you should buy or sell, where we determine exactly how to do it and then do it live with you together. So again, we have our boot camps, which are approximately 2-hour introductory sessions. If you're absolutely new to trading stocks and options, you should consider coming to one of those. And I'll actually post a link here of where we have the next ones coming up. And if you already know that stock trading and options trading is something that you want to pursue, then please join us at our 3-day live trading events where we show you everything from getting started to actually placing a trade. So this is perfect for beginners, but also for expert traders, because most of them are making it too complicated, and I want to show you an easy way on hopefully how to achieve similar results like this. No guarantees, always disclaimer, there is a risk of losing money when trading, but I hope that this here shows that it is also possible to make money with trading. Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.